How to delete sleep schedule on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your iPhone. Health is a comprehensive app that helps you track your health and fitness data. Once you're on the summary page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. Here, scroll down the health categories and tap on Sleep. On the Sleep page, tap on the Sleep Score option. Here, find and tap on the Sleep option. Then, scroll down and tap on Full Schedule and Options. Now, tap on the Edit button, then scroll all the way down to the bottom. After that, tap on Delete Schedule to remove it completely. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily delete a sleep schedule on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.